Hello, my name is Martin Kronberg, and this is the IoT Developer Show Season 4. In this 7-episode series, we explore the Intel Vision Accelerator design products. These software and hardware tools are focused on helping you create computer vision solutions in spaces like industrial and retail. As usual, we discuss the tools that you can use to create your project and highlight some great demos to show off the technology in action. Before we get into the details about these solutions and designs, let's take a look at some reference implementations. Cameras are rapidly finding their way into most IoT edge applications. Thanks to the advancements in computer vision technology, we are not only able to stream video, but we are also able to process multiple video streams in real time. For instance, you can use an AI-based camera to detect traffic patterns in a retail location. In an industrial or factory environment where human safety is critical, you could not only have your video analytics server check for defects on the assembly line, but that same server can detect a human getting too close to the safety zone and issue an alert. We can monitor traffic congestion and optimize traffic patterns, monitor pedestrians for improved safety, and even use smart video to keep an eye on the health of city infrastructure. IoT is a broad market spanning across many more segments like agriculture, smart cities, smart homes, and connected buildings. Each of these segments has a custom requirement when it comes to vision processing. In order to address this challenge, Intel and its partners offer a variety of Intel Vision Accelerator design product solutions. Let's look at some ways that these solutions can benefit your vision applications. Unlike high-performance systems typically found in the data center and cloud environments, vision analytics are often deployed at the edge near the actual sensors, or in our case, cameras. This is necessary because you will often face bandwidth issues when streaming video to a data center. And this problem is compounded if you stream video feeds from dozens or even hundreds of endpoints. Edge analytics can also help you improve data security. Processing image data close to the source lets you keep the raw image data private. Only the results are uploaded to the cloud or data center for further analysis. Processing at the edge has its own issues to consider. Edge processing capacity is limited by several factors: space, cooling, and cost. Technologies like video processing units, or VPUs, and field programmable gate arrays, or FPGAs, are available, which offer unique benefits for vision solutions. We're going to cover those in greater detail throughout the season. VPUs and FPGAs are much more power efficient than a CPU or GPU, fit into a smaller package, and reduce the processing requirements of the main CPU. Vision analytics at the edge often requires multiple layers of processing: image cropping, detection, and classification, for instance. These tasks can be shared across multiple processing elements, which are tailored to improve the performance of the application. With video-specific tasks being handled by specialized hardware, the CPU can be utilized for operations that it's most efficient at: networking and database management, to name a couple. Using multiple types of processing in a single solution is known as heterogeneous computing, and it is something that we will talk about throughout the series. Keep in mind that we're focusing specifically on hardware acceleration, but there is an integral software component as well. The Intel distribution of OpenVINO Toolkit lets you develop and optimize your applications quickly on a PC, and then target the appropriate hardware technology: CPU, integrated GPU, VPU, FPGA, or some combination. And that's it for the first episode. In the upcoming episodes, we cover Intel Vision acceleration hardware offerings. We will see the Intel Neural Compute Stick 2, multi-VPU accelerators such as the Mustang V100, and FPGA cards such as the Mustang F100 featuring the Intel Aria. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.
Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it and haven't seen any of our other videos, subscribe to the Intel Software YouTube channel. You can also connect with other developers and enthusiasts in the comments. See you all next time.